What we're talking about right now is how to actually thread the blank draw screw so that we can adapt this to your chuck so you can thread it onto the draw tube of your machine. When you purchase your chuck, you're going to get a blank draw screw that is ready to be adapted to the body of the dead length collet chuck. It will come with extra material on the length and the diameter, and it'll have a small through hole, allowing you to modify to the dimensions that you need. Here is an actual completed machine draw screw that is attached to the actual body of the dead length chuck. We use a certified thread gauge when we do the machining for the chuck, and we will get the necessary dimensional information by measurements that the customer will actually take on the machine so that we can design the actual draw screw and come up with a certified drawing to adapt it to your machine. Okay, we're going to actually take measurements on the spindle face so that we can design the draw screw that we need to modify to fit the chuck to the machine.
If you aren't able to get accurate measurements using a dial caliper, you can use a depth micrometer or an indicator using the machine control digital readout to get the measurements that you need.
What we're going to do now is we're going to actually show you how to take your modified draw screw and bolt it to the actual base of your collet chuck. Here is a 3D model rendering that shows all of the components that make up our dead length collet chuck and shows how it will adapt to the machine spindle and draw tube. The draw tube actuates from open to closed position. The modified draw screw is threaded onto the machine draw tube. The actuating collet seat portion of the body draws the collet to the clamped or unclamped position.